Yo, what's up, my folks? Me down here today. We're gonna be doing a taste test. So watch out, chili sauce. It's hot sauce. So let's begin. And before I do it, I want to let y'all know I love hot sauce. All throughout my years, I've eaten nothing but hot sauce. So let's give sriracha chili sauce a try. Whew. Alright, that's not hot, but it is hot. Sriracha chili sauce review, great. Not one of the best, but it's still pretty good. Alright guys, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Peace out, gamers.